Arizona Riders Club.
Come ride with us. Alright y'all, guess who? T with Arizona Riders Club. How's everybody doing today? Today we are bringing you the interior review of, or the review of the interior of the Tesla Model S. Ghetto birds here. Sorry about that volume, man. My mic just dropped. But take a look at the leather inlays on this thing. Not bad, huh? Super basic. However, not bad. I've sat in it just about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Took it for a quick ride. It is very comfortable. We got the cup holders in the back, the USB charging points, an AC vent to split. The great part about this is there's no divider on the floor, seeing that the transmission isn't, a regular transmission. You've got lots of leg room back here. Hold on, let me get nice and comfortable. Show y'all how it is. All right. Put my bag down real quick. Let's get in this back seat. All right, so I'm 6'2". Obviously, I haven't changed it from the driving position. So automatically, little tight, man, for a guy who's 6'2". But however, I like to lean, mean on the scene. So I've got it way back. Hold on. Okay. So you got the interior, got the floor mats, patented leather, looking good. You got the wood grain up front. Hopefully you can see that. Man, that looks amazing. I'm going to repeat that. I love the interior of this car, and specifically the console. I found out one of the homies, shout out to my man Jules, sent me a video where you can put in this Tesla touchscreen in almost any car. Y'all already know what's going on. I've got my eye on it for the Sadies. We'll see how it goes. But that infotainment system is bar none. That is one of the best aspects of the interior of the Tesla Model S, the technology. Get in the front, huh? Show y'all what's cracking. I've got to move this bag real quick. Okay, now we are in the front. Digital console all through that there, 63% to go. We're going to run it all the way down. All right, I'm joking. We'll get this thing charged up before I return it, right? The steering wheel is magnificent. The leather on it feels smooth. You can control majority of the infotainment system from the steering wheel, whether it be options for voice. Obviously, everybody likes the hands-free, or the volume. Now, when it comes to the console up top, It's going to give you a time, the speed. It'll give you what you're listening to. Yeah, don't clown me, man. Yeah, who doesn't like Ja Rule? Vinny Vetti Vecchi. Great album. All right, more leather inserts. You got the AC vents looking cool. You have the sunroof. Oh, man, we're about to drop this top and really make it happen today. The navigation system is bar none. Look how big that navigation system is. Hopefully you can see the scale. Gives you some additional options up top, like locking the vehicle, opening your garage, your profile, things of that nature. Also gives you, what is this? Let's go through some of these really quick. Hold on, I've got to put my mic, clip my mic on. Give me one quick sec. All right, hopefully you can hear me. All right, let's go through this thing real quick. All right, so you've got the Earth view, 3D view of the map. You got the stoplights. You got the navigation that you can turn on. And then you have it from topographic view. We'll take that off. Put back those options on, and yeah. That's my favorite view. I don't like to get all clustered up or anything like that. Let's tweak that a little bit. Great, great. Y'all know what it is. But we're out here in Central Phoenix. What park are we at? We're at it's, the funniest thing is I typed in the park on the navigation system, and it showed me a cemetery. I'm like, yeah. So rolled around, eventually found the park. We're out here in Central Phoenix. I should say East Phoenix. East Side, my old stomping grounds. All right, so more interior. You got some space here. You got charging. Oh. Okay, so to have that close, you just push it up and then push it up again, and then it will automatically close. But back to this Navi system. So you've got more options when it comes to the vehicle, and you can check out the controls. You've got pedals and steering, charging, autopilot, vehicle, lights, display, trips, navigation, safety, service, software, and upgrades. All right, you can just touch screen. It'll take you all the way through there, which is really, really cool. Autopilot, vehicle, lights. Let's go vehicle, see what we have here. Doors, windows. So, you know, we're not going to go into upgrades or software. We don't need to do that. Service. Now, with the Tesla, your service is done automatically through Wi-Fi, which is amazing. How do you not like technology, right? You got some cup holders right here. And then that's pretty much it outside of this glamorous panoramic sunroof that they have here. Take a look at that. We're going all the way back. We ain't just going to stop there, buddy. We're going all the way back. Woo! Tell me that ain't fly. Yeah, man. All right. So, last but not least, I want to give you my perspective of this interior of the Tesla Model S. This thing is absolutely amazing. From a technological standpoint, you can't beat it. I mean, there's not much better than this. I'm going to try to get my hands on one of their competitors, the Lucid, which we'll do soon. Don't worry about it. We'll bring that live and direct to you. But before I sign out, I want to let you guys know you can accomplish anything you put your mind to. If you want a Tesla Model S, go get one. And if you need assistance on how to get it, holla at your boy T. It's Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.